What do I do? Oh, of course.
You're tenacious.
I'll give you that.
Why am I tenacious? Hello? Hello? Oh, hell no. Who's better? Uh-oh. Get away from me! Come on. What else have I got? Come on. Oh, this'll do. Hurry!
Come on, Doris!
What are you waiting for, man? Kick it!
Go! Move!
Why don't we have this in history class? No! Look out! Help!
Come on!
Right behind you, man!
Take it!
Put it!
Throw it!
Here we go! Drea, how are you so good at this?
Relax. Get into it.
Yeah, I got it. Ooh. No. Hey, girl. It's okay. I'm okay. Time for a break. This is the life. Whoa! Don't look down. Oh, I shouldn't have looked down. Incoming!
Where are you?
Where's your patience, man? Almost there. Miss me?
You're late. Let's do this.
Bring it! This is lovely! Ooh, nice toy. You wanna play too? Go for it!
Our dream is to move beyond a simulated experience to a real experience, where we remove any negative training entirely and recreate the exact feeling and conditions of the most mission-critical scenarios.
For many years, our industry has sort of been reluctant to dive deep into the XR solutions. The challenge has been to accurately replicate high-pressure environments that are emotionally engaging for the users.
High fidelity is critical for effective mixed reality training for pilots. With the Varjo XR3, the realism in the field of view is further increased and prepared, which removes negative training when recreating conditions at the most mission-critical scenarios.
Varjo's new full-frame bionic display, with its wide and natural field of view and its mind-opening human eye resolution, is the perfect key for our extensive design work in XR. The advanced depth sensing and LiDAR should give us the possibility to merge the real and the virtual, enabling a fully immersive experience and natural body-hand object occlusion.
Varjo has pushed the boundaries of high-resolution mixed reality. By working with Varjo, Unity continues to power the next level of photorealism and immersion for industrial design, simulation, training, and more.
Using their own hands and medical equipment takes our healthcare providers to a more immersive emotional state, achieving a higher level of focus that could ultimately save lives.
Unreal Engine, coupled with Varjo headset, has allowed users to power some of the most demanding use cases of immersive technology. The new XR3 and VR3 allows creators to explore the next frontier of immersion using the unprecedented level of visual performance.